What?
Turn that down a little bit. Hey, what up? It's your man Wolf J.
It's the man Marlon. Wait, they don't recognize us. Let's do a picture. Let's do a picture. Just in case y'all didn't know. So we're here at rehearsals for Sounds of Fashion.
Sounds of Fashion.
February 19th.
February 19th.
Toronto's Rip the Runway.
Toronto's with the runway.
He's performing.
I'm performing.
It's gonna be hot.
He's hosting.
You already know. We got one more host. We got Shannon Boudram.
She's so
Those
sexy.
girls are so wild.
She's so.
Get my LL on. Get my LL on. Maybe I just want to put chocolate over your genitals.
Girl, I be Yoshi all over you, girl. Yoshi.
Yoshi, nigga. Yoshi.
Alright, I know what it is.
Anyways, yeah, we got some sexy girls.
Fly ass girls.
Fellas coming through. But ladies, don't forget, we got some, real muscular men with titties coming out. So, they tatted up.
I don't got those yet. I'm gonna get a bra size soon. I'm gonna get a bra
I got a
size.
pigeon chest. I ain't got my arms. I'm on that P90X though, so look out for those 90 days,
It's not bad.
So, if you don't got your tickets yet, go to Play the Record and any big it up location possible. Get your tickets. Don't loaf on them.
Even just holler at us.
Don't be texting me like, can you get me a hookup?
Don't blow up his shit.
Don't be blowing up my
Don't
shit.
be blowing up his shit.
Don't be
I don't even got a cell phone. You can't blow up my shit. I made sure of it.
Blow up his Twitter.
Blow up my Twitter. Blow it up. But yeah, so Sounds Fashion February 19th. Courthouse nightclub.
Get in where you fit in. Whole bunch of performers, whole bunch of nice clothes.
I don't fit much places. I'ma stop. What? I gotta get that fixed.
Tapping out. Peace.